Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we have a new video and it's a dessert. We are making a simple dessert that you can make at the comfort of your own home. I've had these biscuits over for a long time and I was like, let me just make something. Let me make something out of them. So we are making some Oreo cheesecake. But since the Oreos, I really don't know if they're going to be enough for a whole cheesecake, I think we're going to make a parfait. So Oreo cheesecake parfait, that's what you're going to make. So before we go on, do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. And do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your family and friends. For those who like cheesecake and they like to make them at the comfort of their homes, this is the video for them. We have a whole video on how to make cream cheese and cheesecake from scratch at your home. Forget buying those very expensive ones from the restaurants and all that. Make them in your home. So let's get started. So here we have our Oreos. What you're going to do is remove the cream, which you're going to mix with the cream cheese that we made. So we are just separating the biscuits and the cream, which we are going to mix with the cream cheese that we made. We have a whole recipe, guys, so don't worry about how to make cream cheese, how to get cream cheese. We have a whole video, so go back and check out our videos and see how easy it is to make some cream cheese. So we have separated our Oreos. Here we have the biscuits without the cream, and then here we have the cream, and then this is our cream cheese. This is our homemade cream cheese, which we are leaving at room temperature. It was in the fridge, so we are leaving it at room temperature for it to soften a bit. And then what we'll do, we'll just blend it up in a blender just to soften it and make it more creamy, and add the cream from the Oreos just to enhance the flavors. And then the Oreos, we are just going to crush them up. We're just going to crush them into very fine bits just to form the crust for our parfait or for our cheese cream. So here we have our cream cheese. It's well blended. I added to this some vanilla extract. That's why it's a little brownish. And some some icing sugar. Some icing sugar for flavor. Because the cream from the Oreos wasn't enough, so I added more icing sugar. Then here we have our Oreo, our blended Oreo, or how do you call it? Yeah. So we blended this up into really fine bits. So to this, we're going to layer them on these cups just to form the parfaits. So the first step is to layer the Oreos, then the cream, then the Oreos, then the cream, like that. So our parfait is ready, and it's ready to go to the fridge just to chill for a bit, and then we'll be able to have it served cold, best served cold. You can see how good it looks, and it's so easy to make. Make sure you do it for yourself at the comfort of your home. Have this as dessert when you've prepared that really good meal for your person or for yourself, and then finish this up as your dessert. So that's it. That's how simple our parfait, our Oreo cheesecake parfait is to make.